All right, we're here with Matt Baily today from Baily Marine. We're on board Moonen Yacht Willow, which is a spectacular Moonen. Matt, you're 25 years in the marine industry, 15 years super yacht captain, including a pretty good stint in the Med. You've got a whole lot of experience to bring to refits and what you're doing here. Tell us about your plans for Willow this year.
Yeah, so Willow's a pretty round project. It's a pretty exciting project. We're doing a full DCV conversion, so from private to commercial. And then during the time that we're doing the commercial DCV conversion, we're doing a full interior. As you can see, we've already started gutting the interior here. It's got a full brand new saloon, brand new master cabin, brand new guest cabins. All that is designed by Misha, a confident design, which is pretty exciting. We've been working with him now for about 6 months on this project, and the boat arrived here in the yard for its strip down and commencement of the refit. On the exterior side, we're doing a deck extension on the top deck. We're doing two solid roofs instead of biminis on the roof, and then we're doing a 2.5 meter extension on the aft to set a larger tender, which is going to be a Pac Mare designed unit, which lowers up and down into the water, which is another pretty exciting feature of the vessel.
So how old is this boat now?
The vessel's about 15 years old now.
So it's a midlife refit?
Yeah, it's a midlife refit, but it's going to be, the boat was built by one of the best shipyards in the world, Moonen. And what's really exciting for us, during my career, I built a Moonen. I built a Moonen, a 30-meter Moonen, which is still around today. And to be able to come back onto another Moonen and be the project manager this time instead of the captain is kind of like a full circle into the Moonen life.
But it gives all that experience into this current refit, which is of great benefit to the owner.
Yeah, exactly. The engineering on this vessel is exact as the one as we built. So we pretty much already have a head start on knowing what needs doing, what needs improving, and what's going to work in the Australian conditions. Our interiors and the way our exterior decks are used completely different to what they use in the Med. So we're pretty excited to all that knowledge and make this boat very special for Australian conditions.
So we're doing it here at GCCM. It's in one of the super yacht sheds. 90 business partners just at the back door of the shed here. Makes it pretty easy for you to deal with some of the world's best tradesmen.
Oh, of course, yeah. That's why we set up shop here at Gold Coast City Marine. We're already working with the best. Like, we've got Lumark, who's doing all our hot works. We've got Misha, who's doing all our design. Those two contractors just alone are going to get half the project done. We've got Timber Design doing all the woodworks. We've got Workshop 28 doing the full interior. They're the main contractors that we always work with and provide above standard workmanship every time.
Great. Well, look, we're here at the start to pull things apart time. We're going to drop back in and see you at different times during the build and show everybody what's happening. But great job. It's a 6-month refit, probably the biggest in Australia at the moment.
Yeah, definitely. It's probably the most exciting. There's not a bit of this boat that's not going to get touched. And when it launched, it's not even going to look like it did when it entered the shed. So.
Well, congratulations, and let's get on with it.
Thank you.